Hello my darlings, welcome to another video. I hope you are well. I hope you are doing amazing. Today we are going to be making and applying my avocado hair mask. Now this is the only raw food treatment that I use. So if your hair is breaking, if it's dry or brittle, then this is the treatment for you. I like to use one whole avocado because of the length and density of my hair, but if your hair is shorter or relaxed, then you can go ahead and use half or even a quarter. I'm cutting the avocado into smaller sections to make it easier to blend. Also make sure to cut out any portions that has the brown stems in it so it doesn't get caught in your hair. Next, I'm going to put the avocado into a blender and add one raw egg. Adding raw eggs to the mixture helps to replenish the proteins in the hair and also makes the strands healthier. I'm adding half a glass of water to it and then I'm going to blend till a smooth consistency. Avocados are great in potassium, which helps to keep your hair shiny, moisturized, and prevent breakage. Next, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of raw honey. Honey is a humectant, and so it would help to add moisture and also tame the frizz. Now blend till you have a very creamy and smooth consistency, and that is your hair mask. My hair has been in a braid out the whole week, so I'm going to take my time and separate all the sections, and I'm also detangling at the same time, just making sure that the section is as smooth as possible. And then I like to work in 4 sections because it's easier to manage. So starting from the back, I'm going to coat the hair from the roots to the ends, making sure that every single strand is covered. And when I'm done with 2 sections, I will go ahead and twist it together and keep it out of the way. So ideally, you're supposed to let this sit under a plastic cap for between 45 minutes to an hour. But to be totally honest with you guys, I tend to keep it in for a little bit longer than that. So after this, the next step is to shampoo, detangle, and then style. And that for me can take a couple of hours. And so I like to take my time and be prepared before I start the next process. That's how come I said that I don't really follow that 45 minutes to 1 hour time. I need to be prepared mentally, physically, everything else before I start my normal wash day routine. And so I use the time in between to gather all my products, make sure I have all my tools together. I eat, I have some snacks on standby, and then I also go ahead and cue all the movies or series I'm going to watch. Because for me, it can take about 3 hours from start till finish. Let me know if you guys are going to try this hair mask. For me, it is the holy grail to my hair growth. And like I said, this is the only raw food that I put in my hair. I don't do rice water, I don't do the potato mask, I don't do onion at all. This is the only raw food that I'm comfortable putting in my hair. So let me know if you guys are going to try this. Let me know if you'd like me to show any other steps that I do. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.